Hi class, it's Mr. Hernia. Let's have a look at today's job board. Diagnose and repair damage in right rear suspension system. Now you may notice something a little bit different about this job board. The car hasn't been specified. So let me show you what we're working on today. Yep, that's right. It's an RC car. So if you take a look at the right rear suspension here, you'll notice that there's all kinds of problems. So we're going to have a look at this, and the easiest way is to take out these R-clips right here. That R-clip right there, put that aside, take the body off, so we can have a look at what's going on with this suspension system. And as you can see, let me flip that over. You can see that control arm is completely snapped off. So we're going to be replacing that. And we've got the new part right here. You'll see it's in a clear plastic bag, so we can compare it to the old one to make sure that we have the right part before we open it up. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to take the wheel off. So take our cross wrench and we'll just undo the lug nut. There we go. Take that tire off, lay it off to the side, and you can see our control arm is broken. So we're going to have to take that off as well. Going to need our screwdriver. We'll undo that screw right there that holds it in place, just so we can get that broken control arm right there. Put our car off to the side, and we're going to have to take out this pivot pin. You'll notice in the bag that there's a new pivot pin in there, so we're going to have to take that out. What we'll do is we'll take the control arm, right in there. We'll get our hammer and our punch. Put that, there we go, that one right there. We're just going to drive that pin out a little bit. Just enough. Well, you can see that that's coming out right now. So what we'll do is we'll take a pair of vice grips or pliers. We'll just grab the end of that right there like that. Clamp on and try and pull that pin out of there. Oh, might have to push that out just a little bit more. Try that again.